What will someone get from the F&I Masterclass? When you attend the F&I Masterclass, number one, and first and foremost, you'll gain an unbelievable F&I skill set. You'll learn presentations that you've never ever seen before. See, we don't teach the old menu presentations, the outdated, the ones that have been taught for the last 30 years. No, that's not what we teach. We teach something new and dynamic and modern. Based on my own experience, we teach what's called dynamic presentations, value build dynamic presentations that build $50,000 of value in a little small service contract, one that you're gonna sell for $4,000 or $5,000 or $6,000. You overwhelm the customer with value on your products, and then you ask very little and you close that customer. See, when you build massive value in your products, when you overwhelm the customer with a lot of value in your products, then when you ask a certain price or when you ask a certain payment for that product, it seems very small. Why? Because the product seems so valuable. However, the old outdated way of doing F&I didn't allow you to do that. So that's what you'll gain from this event, a skill set that you'll be able to take for the rest of your career.